Hey guys, what's up? This is Navratri and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the soft makeup tutorial for Garba and Navratri. I've created this look for those who want very easy and soft makeup tutorial for this festive season. So let's just quickly jump into the video. So for my primer, I'm using Innisfree No Sebum Blur Primer because I have very dry skin, so this primer is just perfect for my skin. And my skin is not in a great condition from few days, so this primer is a sebum control primer. Next I'm mixing Gigi Hadid liquid strobe with my foundation, and for my foundation I'm using L'Oreal True Match foundation because I have very dry skin, so this foundation is perfect for my skin and I want that dewy and glowy skin. So with the help of my foundation brush, I'm just spreading it all over my face. Next, with the help of my Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'm just setting my under eye area and my T-zone. Using my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, I'm just taking this slightly pink color to apply it on my lid as well as my crease. Next I'm taking this golden shimmer color from the same palette and I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. For my eyeliner, I'm using my NYX eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to create a winged eyeliner. Next I'm just applying my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. For my blush, I am using Essence Silky Touch blush in the shade 70 and I am just applying it on the apple of my cheeks. So I have put on my fake eyelashes and I have done my eyebrows off camera, and for my highlighter I am using the same Gigi Hadid liquid strobe highlighter, and it's a very subtle highlighter, not very chunky, or it does not have any glitter particle. And if you want some more glow on the highest point of your face, you can go for the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and it is such a beautiful highlighter. It is very buttery in texture and it will give your face that extra glow. For my lipstick, I am using NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade 12. It's a beautiful nude brown liquid lipstick and its texture is very good. It is non-drying on my lips. Next I'm applying this Essence lipstick just to give the hint of pink color on my lips. So yeah guys, this is the complete soft makeup tutorial for Garba or Navratri or for any festive season. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also tell me in the comment box what you guys think about this video. Share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.